So here we are on my LightX homepage. First things first, let's go to the editor tools and click on See All under photo editing tools. As you can see, there are a bunch of photo editing tools. Feel free to give those a try, but for now in this tutorial, we are going to focus on how to add music to a photo. Select this tool and you will find yourself redirected to a page. You can easily find the link to this tool in the description box below. Here you can see the option of upload image, where you can easily upload your picture from your device, or you can simply select, drag and drop. LightX also provides sample images that you can try. For now, I will upload the photo from stock. You can search the type of image you want. Here I'm typing friends. Let's choose this one and click. Our photo has been successfully uploaded. You can see the music section has appeared automatically. You can also see other sections like media, illustrations, or sticker section to add funky stickers to your photo. You can go to the text section and add any code or message to the picture. Add a music file to the photo by going to the music section. You can choose from the LightX stock, which gives you so many options of amazing tracks, or you can also upload your own desired audio in case you have anything specific in your mind. You can also choose your music by genre, like if you're looking for pop or music with beats. I'm choosing a track from the happy section, and I can play and decide which one sounds good according to my picture. Let's choose this one, clicking the add icon and done. Play this track and adjust the volume here. You can click on the I button to preview your photo. Lastly, resize your file if you want to. Finally, name your file at the top and click on the Save button. As soon as this button turns green, your file edits are saved. Now click on the Export button and choose your resolution and quality. Export your file and the file is saved to your device. That's it, super easy and quick.